will enter into the next one. Begin, please listen carefully. Begin verbatim. Begin verbatim. End with begin verbatim. Okay. Inside that, I will write my C program code. Inside that, I will write my C program code. So the code was properly arranged in a equation number, in a line number 2. The code was properly aligned in a line number 2. So the left margin, if you needed, specify X left margin 10 mm, numbers of left. Okay. This set of verbatim markup, which is placed inside the package called as fancy VRB. Which is placed inside the package which is called as fancy VRB. So I will type this program. So I will place file new. Okay. I will type this program in my new program. So I will type a new program / document class as article or report. Article. Okay. Article. Then / use package fancy VRB. Am I right? Fancy VRB. Then I will type / begin document and end document. Inside that, I will type / begin verbatim / begin verbatim. And if needed, optional, square bracket in the sense optional. X left margin 10 mm, numbers left. So X left margin equal to 10 mm, comma, numbers are displayed in left align. Okay. Then inside that, I will type my equation. My equation was integer I equal to 0 for I equal to 1 to I less than 10, I plus plus. Inside the looping parenthesis, you will type print %d, comma I. So I will execute the same. Which will ask, the package was not available. Shall I install from internet? Yes, install. So it will take few seconds for installing the fancy VRB package from internet. After that, which will be executed the same. Now install and execute it. I think optional parameters was not supported. So now the equations are placed like this. I equal to 0. Then for I equal to 1, I less than 10, then I plus plus. Then which will write the equation right here. Okay. Which will write an equation. Then I think why the optional parameter was not displayed, numbers equal to left or right align. Left align. I will execute the same. I think some parameters, so new package, some parameter was not supported. So we will check later. So fine. So this is for verbatim. Okay. So the first one equation, the second one for verbatim. Now we are entering into array. Please listen carefully. This is very much important. Now we are entering into array. Okay. So for writing array, it's little bit different. So for writing array, it's little bit different. So please see here, the parenthesis which entirely common for array. Okay. So it's first row, it's second row, it's third row. It's first column, it's second column, it's third column. Okay. So we will write begin array of inside second curly brace, you will type column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. The column 1 which is aligned in right, so right align. Column 2 which is aligned in right, column 3 which aligned in right. So R. So each and every data is separated by ampersand. Each and every data is separated by ampersand. I will write and then we will discuss. I will delete this equation. 1 second. We will go to array. Array is very much important. So please listen carefully. Array and tables are two core components of LaTeX. So please listen carefully. So I will delete this. This is not required. So I will delete this package too. So I will type slash begin array. So I will type array. Array which comprising of 3 columns. So the first column which aligned in left, second column aligned in center, third column aligned in right. So LCR. If 3 columns are aligned in left, so LLL. The 3 columns are aligned in center, CCC. The 3 column aligned in right, RRR. So which represent number of columns along with alignment. Okay. So now I will represent LCR. Then I will type my array content. So the first row 1, ampersand, it's a separator, 2, then ampersand is a separator, 3. Then next row, the second row is separated by new line character, double slash. Double slash is a new line character. Then 4, ampersand is a separator for the column, so 5. Then ampersand is a separator for the next column, then 6. Then double slash is a new line separator which enter the data into third row. Then 7, ampersand, 8, ampersand, 9. Now I will execute the same. Yes, the first column which aligned in left, the second column which aligned in center, the last column which aligned in right. Okay, if you need, I will change it into CCC. You can see the difference. All columns are aligned in center. Okay, all columns are aligned in center. So each and every column which separated by ampersand symbol, each and every row which separated by the double slash. 1 second. So the begin array, sorry for the disturbance. So begin array and end array, we choose to represent the 3 columns. The columns are separated by CCC. So 1 second. So begin array and end array, begin array and end array. Inside that you can type your equation. So begin array and end array. Inside that, the array which represented by RRR. So 3 columns, the columns are aligned in right. So RRR. So 3 columns are aligned in right. So the first column which represents slash alpha. So the data was alpha. The second one, ampersand, was separated by the second column, beta. Then ampersand which represents third column, which is by gamma. Similar way, each and every column is separated. Okay. Slash left of open parenthesis. Slash left of open parenthesis. We choose to represent the open parenthesis. We choose to represent the open parenthesis. 1 second. So please listen carefully. Slash document classes article, slash begin document and slash end document. Inside that I will type $, end with $, because slash left of open parenthesis is a mathematical notation. Slash left of open parenthesis is a mathematical notation. So $, end with $, slash left of open parenthesis, slash begin array of RRR. So array which aligned in right side. Slash alpha is a character, so which represent alpha. Then ampersand for separating next column, slash beta, then slash gamma. Double slash is a new row character, so we choose to print an array. So initially for equation, next we are entering first one equation, next we are entering into array creation. In between gap we will study something basic, enumerate and itemize. Order list and unordered list. Okay. Now the last one, which is called the table representation. Please listen carefully. Table representation. I think this is table. Am I right? Okay. These things which is called as table. Okay. Actually, table and array are similar. Just line only separated. Okay. So I will write a new equation. I will write a new equation. So slash, I will remove these things. Slash begin tabula. One second. Slash begin tabula. Slash begin tabula. Each and every center align in between gap. Slash C, slash C, slash C. So, which place this line, this line, this line, and this line. Okay. Each and every new line character you can give slash H line for horizontal line. So it will create a horizontal line. So I will create new table. Please see here. This is one last one. Then we are entering into a new document. So new. New slash document class as article. Okay. Slash begin document slash end document. Inside that slash begin tabula. Okay. Then inside that number of columns. So number of columns left, left, left are C, C, C. So 3 columns, the columns are center. Each and every column in front of that there is a pipe symbol. Okay. Correct. Then now I will type the content. The first data 1, ampersand for second column separation 2, then ampersand for that, then 3, then double slash. The new things is H line. We choose to print a horizontal line. Then I will copy paste this for 3 times. Now I will execute the same. Yes, the first line was missing. So print H line one more time. Now I will execute the same. This is for table representation. If I am missing one line here, think about situation. The last line was missing. Okay. So this line, this pipe symbol line which represent the column separator, the H line which represent a horizontal line which is for row separator. Row separator with the help of slash H line markup, column separator with the help of a pipe symbol. I will remove this. I will go to the easiest way. So I will go to the wizard. I will go to, please listen carefully. I will go to wizard. There is an option which is called as quick tabular. I will click here, which will ask for number of columns. I will say number of columns is 5. Which will ask for number of rows. I will say number of rows was 3. Then which will display like this. I will type the content A, B, C, D, E, 1. I will create a table. Then I will press OK. Then automatically the code was created. In the wizard menu, I can click on begin tabula, then says number of rows and number of columns and fill the values. And then I will click here, then execute. Automatically the entire table was displayed. Automatically the entire table was displayed. So click on wizard menu, then go to quick tabular, then create a table. Similar way, quick array is also available. Okay. Similar way, quick array is also available. So it's easy for creating an array too. It's very easy for creating an array too. So the first one for equation creation, whatever needed, we are using whatever the additional things needed for LaTeX, we are learning here. After that, we merge everything into our section, our report. Okay. So starts from section. After that, we are entering into equation. After that, we are entering into begin array and end array. then tabular, then you are entering into itemize and enumerate. Fine. Now the image representation. Image representation. I want to print an image. I want to display an image. So I will save my file. I will save my file inside my desktop. The file named as test.tex. Okay. I will type slash document class as article, same thing. Slash begin document and end document. For displaying an image which need a package, so use package. The name of the package is graphics. The name of the package is graphics X. So slash use package. For in displaying an image, we need a package called as slash use package graphics. Okay. Then you can print slash begin image, begin figure and end figure. Inside that you can type slash include graphics, slash include graphics. You can specify the image file name. Now I will go to Google and just I will search. I will search your college logo. Then I will save the same, save images. The image named as .png. So I will save the file name logo.png. I will save it in desktop. Okay, save. Then I will go to my editor. I will specify the file name. So ./logo. Extension is not needed. I will execute. The image was displayed in my file. Okay. The image was displayed in my file. If needed, I will reduce the size. So scale equal to 0.2, 20%. Automatically the size was reduced. Scale 8, so 80%. So the size was changed. So slash use package graphics, we choose to include the image inside our document. Slash use package graphics, we choose to include image inside our document. Okay. Slash begin figure and slash end figure. Inside that slash include graphics, the scale of 80%, then ./logo. We choose to display the logo image. We choose to display the logo image. Okay. Now I will execute the file. It's for displaying image inside our document. So now it's a time for creating references.